Hello everyone, good day to you wherever you might be right now in your respective places, and I would like to say compliment of the season to you all. Okay, one thing that I would like to let you to know that there is a need for you to have a way whereby you generate passive or residual income. And the reason is that there is a tendency of people losing their job due to the technological advancements on daily basis. And as we all know that there is an economic crisis in around the world right now, so there is a need for you to diversify your economy, for you to have multiple sources of income. And also one of the way whereby you can generate passive or residual income is bringing your business online, because online or internet has been a global village whereby you can meet people, you can give your market or whatever you are doing, you can give it a global audience. And also one of the ways whereby you can make money online is through forex. But before you start trading forex, you must have some requirements, which includes the right indicator. You must have the knowledge on how to read charts, and you must have a huge capital. You must have a secured or a well-known broker and some other things. But due to this reason, many people are lacking all these requirements, and for that reason they always lose their hard-earned money while trading forex. But there is a particular platform which can do all these things on your behalf. So it is called Intelligence Prime Capital. So there is a particular trading bot whereby you can generate 45% monthly profits on whatever you have invested there. So you are going to get this bot with Intelligence Prime Capital. And another thing that I would like to let you know, that there is a particular promo this time, that is the Christmas promo, it has been extended. So it was initially announced that it's going to end by December 24, but it has been extended till December 31st now. So you can benefit from the reduction in price of this trading bot. So I'm going to show you how to buy Intelligence Prime Capital trading bot in this video, so that you can earn 45%. You can earn up to 45% monthly profits on whatever capital you have in it. Okay, so but before I go deep into this video, I would like to tell you that this video is brought to you courtesy of LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. For that reason, if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell for you to be continually aware of the next update, because LASOJENIC BIZZTALK is created so that I can share with you some of the ways whereby you can generate money for yourself, generate residual or passive income online. And also I review online investment platforms, and I give you my sincere recommendation. So if you are contemplating on joining any online investments, just forward the link to me so that I can review it, and I'm going to do my sincere review on it and give you my recommendation. So you need to look before you leave. You just need to do some research. You need to do some findings about that online investment you want to venture into. Okay, so just feel free to browse through the channel. There are several videos that have been done in the past on how to make money online, and some online investment platform that I have reviewed. So if you have any question concerning this video, you can call me, you can chat me up on this WhatsApp number, you can message me through email, through this email address. And also don't forget to join our Telegram channel, as I will be making some financial educational content. I will be making it here frequently, on frequent basis. So you can contact me through all these means for any question. And also don't forget to check the description box of this video for more information on each of the videos there. And you can message me through the comments box of this video as well. So quickly, let me take you to what we have for you today. And once again, what we are considering is how to buy Intelligence Prime Capital trading bot, whereby you can earn 45% monthly profit on your capital. So now let me take you to the platform. Okay, let me log in now to my dashboard. All right, so this is my account, this is my dashboard. As you can see, this is what I have there. So this is what I have as of this moment. So, and let me do a brief a brief introduction to Intelligence Prime Capital again. So Intelligence Prime Capital is like a broker, and when you have an account with Intelligence Prime Capital, or let me say IPC, so you are going to create another MT4 trading platform. MT4 is an app whereby you have access to forex markets. So MT4 or MT5 app, they are mobile device app whereby it gives you to forex market so that you can trade forex with your mobile device. All right, so now when you have an IPC account, you are going to have MT4 account also, MT4 account. So you just need to download MT4 app on your mobile device. Maybe if you are using Android device, you just go to Google Play Store and download it and run through the registration process, and also the registration and the login details, it will be sent to your email, your registered email with IPC. Okay, so when you have done that, you will need to fund it. So after you have funded your IPC, then I will now be showing you how you can buy this trading bot and start making money with it on daily basis. Okay, maybe in my subsequent video I'm going to show you how the bot works. So because that one will be on mobile platform, so the video will be on a mobile platform, that is with my phone, so that I can show you how the trading bot works with MT4 platform. Okay, so now this is how it goes. After you have successfully registered your account, make sure that you input right and correct details about yourself, because you are going to verify your account with your means of identification, maybe your national passport or your driver license. So it will be required for verification so that your account can be verified. All right, so make sure you are using a right or correct details whenever you are registering your Intelligence Prime Capital. Okay, so now for you to deposit, let me show you how to fund your IPC capital, because that is the first thing after your account have been confirmed, because your account needs to be confirmed. That can be the confirmation process can take up to 24 hours, so that after your account have been confirmed and verified, then you can deposit. So let me show you how to do that. You come to the menu section here, and then you click on transaction. So when you have clicked on transaction, you click on funding. So then after you have clicked on funding, then you are going to see the address that you are going to pay into. This is the alphanumeric code, that is, this is the wallet address of IPC. So you are to deposit either Bitcoin or USDT. So if you are depositing TRC, that is TRC20 USDT, TRC20 USDT or Bitcoin, so then you are going to fund your account with the required amount you wish to use. All right, so let me take you to the price of the bot. To the price of the bot, as I said earlier, they are doing promotion right now. The Christmas promo is still on, so you can enjoy the reduction in price of these bots. So this is the announcement that was made, so you can enjoy the reduction. Merry Christmas. Okay, not this one. Okay, we like to express our okay. So it should be this. Okay, We are super excited to announce that we have extended our Christmas promotion until 1st January 2021. So now you can enjoy the reduction in price of any of the bots. So now after you have found your account, you just need to click on subscription. You need to click on subscription. Okay, there are 3 bots in IPC. The first one is Brilliant Bot, the second one is Genius Bot, and the third one is Smart Bot. So initially the price of the Genius Bot, it was $100, while that of Brilliant Bot it was around $50, while the Smart Bot was $30. But now due to the promo, it has been reduced to $49.9, that is approximately $50, and that of Brilliant Bot 19.9, which is $20, and that of Smart Bot is now $10. So you can go for any of the 3. But for Genius Bot, there is tendency of getting up to 45% monthly, while that of Brilliant is 30, and while that of Genius Bot is now $10. So you can make up to 30% here, 45% here, and 15% here in a month. So I think, as for me, I will go for the 45% one, that is Genius Bot. So just choose anyone based on your own financial capacity. So then you will now click on subscribe. Let's assume you want to go for the Genius Bot. When you click on subscribe, then it will bring out the amount of the bot and the capital. So you are going to include both the amount you want to use as capital and the Genius Bot. So that money, it will be deducted from your account here, from whatever you have here. So let's assume you have 49, you want to use capital of $100. So, and the bot cost $50. Let's assume it is $50. So when you are to input the amount, we just input $150 straight, because the capital must be included with the amount you want to use to purchase the bot. So everything will now be $150. But if you are using more than that, if you are using more than 100 capital, just add it up with whatever you have, as in add your capital with the price of the bot. So, and then you are going to submit. After that, your account will be activated immediately. So you will get the bot, and the bot will start trading for you automatically. So there is tendency of getting up to 45% every month. And another interesting part of this is that it works from Monday to Friday. So by Saturday, your profit will be returned to your account here. It will be returned to your, let me show you, it will return to your USDT wallet here. So, and for that reason, you have the opportunity to compound. So on mine was returned here, that is the profit for a week. It will be returned here after 5 days, that is from Monday to Friday. So then you can now transfer it back to your MT4 trading capital, so that it will be in compound form. All right, so that is how to go about it. So even before the month runs to an end, you can make up to 45 and even more than that. So you can make up to 50%. So that is how it goes, and it is working perfectly. So you can go for any of the 3 bots, either Genius Bots, Smart Bots, and the last one. So that is how to buy your IPC trading robot, and it is working effectively. All right, so that is all I have to tell you about how to buy the bot. And if you still have any question, don't forget, you can call me through this phone number. You can chat me up on this WhatsApp number. You can chat me up here and send your messages to me through email. You can also call me through this phone number and join our Telegram channel for more information. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. This is where I'm going to stop for today. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, I just want to tell you that you are missing a lot, because you you won't be informed or aware about the next update. So for you to have continuous updates on how you can make money online, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell. Set it to all notification. Alright, and if truly this video has added value to you, then don't hesitate to share with your friends and family for them also to benefit from the information that you have just received. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video once again. Till next video, have a wonderful day ahead. Meet me in the next video. Bye for now.